bestbookbits.com brings you the book summary of Copywriting Secrets, How Anyone Can Use the Power of Words to Get More Clicks, Sales and Profits, no matter what you sell or who you sell it to, by Jim Edwards. What if you could sell anything to anyone? Nobody is born knowing how to sell, but the truth is you can learn how to sell more, a lot more, when you discover the right words that make people buy. Copywriting is selling, whether online, offline, in video, direct mail, on Facebook, or from the stage. Copywriting is how you put words together that make people click, call, or pull out their wallets and buy from you. Whether you're a coach, author, funnel hacker, e-commerce seller, or real estate agent, your ability to create sales copy that drives people to buy determines your paycheck, your lifestyle, and your family's future. In the fast-paced, attention-starved, social media-driven world of business today, 2 facts about your ability to create sales messages, copywriting, stand out. Fact number 1, great copywriting equals incredible lifestyle, plenty of money, and freedom. Fact number 2, poor copywriting equals struggle forever and die poor. Putting the right words on paper and online is the single most profitable skill anyone can learn. This book teaches you street smart copywriting, which means this book teaches you how to get results today. Because we all need to make more sales today, not tomorrow, not next week. If you've tried to write ads, emails, and sales letters for your business before and failed, this book is for you. If you need to make more sales, no matter what you sell or who you sell it to, this book is for you. Bottom line, if you want to make a lot of money, have a lot of time off, and enjoy a lot of more freedom, this book is for you, especially if you're not making as many sales as you want to right now. Copywriting Secrets Book Summary. Anatomy of the Perfect Sales Letter. Headline. Shocking statement, did you know? Goes against worldview, expose something they suspect is true. Problem. Agitate, which means present a solution. Use bullets here. Credibility statement about you. Proof, sum up offer, and give price. Bonuses, guarantee, call to action, and postscript. Remember this, Jim has a mantra. People love to buy, but hate to be sold. To do this, the content needs to address their fears, speak to their desires, using words they use so it feels like a conversation with a friend or trusted advisor. How to generate lots of ideas for value your product creates. Step 1, answer. Can your product help the buyer do any of these? Make money, save money, avoid effort, escape mental or physical pain, get more comfort, achieve hygiene, cleanliness to get better health, gain praise, feel more loved, and increase their popularity or social status. Step 2, now question and come up with 10 ways of how your product will achieve these. How much time can they save, and what else could they do with that time? How does the product eliminate mental pain or worry for them? You need to create pegs to hang reasons for buying. You need to create pegs to hang reasons for buying. Tips for pronouns. Find words we, ours, I, and change the frame to you. Headline templates, ideas for stealing. How to get results headlines. How to get X in as little as X. How to get X in as little as X, even if you X. How every X can X. Using numbers 3, 5, 7, and 9. Ways to get what you want headlines. 5 quick and easy ways to. 3 fast ways to get X and avoid X. 3 quick and easy ways to get X even if you X. Mistake headlines. Which of these X mistakes will you make? X mistakes all X need to avoid. X mistakes every space need to avoid. Warning headlines. Warning. Here's what every space needs to know about space. Warning. Don't even think about trying to space until you read this. Creating the perfect customer avatar. Meet Fred. F-R-E-D. Fear. Results. Expectations. Desires. Or you can take this to the next level. These are exact things going through the individual's head as you talk. What are their problems? What are their questions? What are their roadblocks? What are the results they want? Remember, they're thinking about their problems, questions, roadblocks, and the results they want. Now you need to identify and talk about the gap. What is the PRQ2's framework? Problems, questions, gap, results, roadblocks. Sales copy needs to bridge this gap. His problems, his questions, and his roadblocks have him firmly planted in action. What he wants is on the other side. Remember, these PRQ2s are what defines the niche. If he has questions, you show him you have the answers. If he's got roadblocks, you show him how to remove them, because all he's thinking about are these problems, questions, and roadblocks. Remember, nothing is important as something as you are thinking about it. Reticular activating systems zone in what you want and ignores over things. Ways to do PRQ2 research. Live interaction, look at yourself. Forums, popular products and reviews, answer sites like Quora, surveys, and help desks. How to use bullet points correctly. If X, so you can X. E.g., one piece set so you can keep all your wrenches together in one place. The above formula on steroids. It X so you can X, which means X. Always aim for 5 to 6 bullets plus. Write 12 or so and cull the best to 5 or 6. The result you want people to think, yeah, that's what I feel, that's what I care about. You want them to think, yeah, that's what I feel, and that's what I care about. Great rule of thumb. As soon as you make a statement about what is or what it does, use which means. Which means you will, which means you can, which means you don't have to. Now connect this to one of the following. Love for, space, family, self, country. Hate, fear of, space, failure, mistakes, death. Connect them to vanity, connect it to pride, longing for, space, either fulfillment, peace. Connect it to greed and connect it to freedom. How to use reviews properly when researching. 3 to 4 stars, great insight to what is missing. 1 stars tend to be know-it-alls who hate life. Don't forget the proof. Proof comes in many forms. Celebrity endorsements, authority hacking, statistics, and quotes that support sales. Sales letter formulas. Number 1, problem/agitate/solve. Number 2, 3x benefit. If you want space, if you want space, if you want space. Number 3, before/after/bridge. Start with the before, talk about the way things are now, problem, question, and roadblocks. Introduce after, future pace, imagine this. And bridge, here's the path to get there. So remember, we want to talk about before, after, and then the bridge, how to get there. Pro tip, for creating perception of 10x value compared to the competition. If you want to make your offer amazing, take your competitor's USP, unique selling point, and turn it into a free bonus with your offer. Then boast about it. Pile on bonuses to get the user to have 10x value. Email template, great subject line. Salutation, shocking statement, 2, 3, or 4 bullets to build curiosity. Specific call to action for what you want them to do, and then a personal note. Remember, it's never one size fits all. Hot, what would be the conversation when someone who knows who you are and what you do? Warm, what would the conversation be like with someone who is aware they have a problem but not aware of you? And third, cold, what would the conversation be like with people who know they have a problem but they have no clue a solution even exists? I just want to pause this summary really quickly and just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching and listening to this summary. We have currently uploaded more than 600 free video, audio, and written book summaries at bestbookbits.com. We'd love for you to become a fan of us at bestbookbits.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Spotify or wherever you listen to our podcast. You can also help keep Best Book Bits financially alive by checking out our products and services out in the links and show notes below, such as physical books, downloadable PDFs, subscribing to our email newsletter, consuming our courses, and joining our Inner Circle coaching program. Thanks again for being a fan, and on with the summary. Create value without giving solution. How to create valuable content that doesn't completely solve a role, yet creates the need for what you are selling. 3 M's on content. Number 1 is myth. Dispelling a myth. Debunking the myth convincingly. What do they want to believe? And confirm suspicions. Misconception. Myths are untruths, whereas misconceptions involve incorrect ideas about something. False beliefs replaced with correct views and clarify in understanding. Mistakes. Mistakes are where you point out where people are going wrong. Most powerful of these 3, especially if you link mistake to social pain. Future pacing stories. Use to imagine a desired scenario. Paint an ideal scenario and a story. Paint an ideal scenario and story. 4 ways to sell when you're creating content. Number 1. Give something valuable away for free that naturally leads to an additional purchase. Teach something great, then make sure they have to buy to put into action. Number 2. Tell them what to do, why they should do it, and then sell them how/what they need to do. Create exact steps and what it can do for you, then present the way you can do it manually or automatically using the product. Number 3, teach all the steps leading up to what you want them to purchase. Supplement what you have taught them. And last, number 4, teach them manual or the hard way to do things. Make sure the way seems painfully hard and confusing. And that's a wrap on the book summary of Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. If you like this summary and want to download the PDF version, click the link below to access this. If you want to become a contributor to Best Book Bits and become part of the community, help read books, create summaries, and do audio recordings, email me at info@bestbookbits.com and you can be featured on the channel, or DM me on Instagram at bestbookbits. You can also join our free book club at Facebook, and if you want me to do a book summary, comment, DM me, or email me. Thanks for watching and listening. Hope you got something from this. Go out there, have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye now.